Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll walk you through how to upload an Excel file into QuickBooks Online so you can keep your finances organized with ease. First, log into your QuickBooks account by entering your details on the home page. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From there, select Attachments. On the Attachments page, click the smaller link that also says Attachment to begin the upload process. Now you can either drag and drop your Excel file into the upload box or click Browse to pick the file directly from your computer. After selecting the file, click Open and QuickBooks will start uploading it for you. Before you do this, make sure your Excel file is clean. Avoid broken formulas, hidden sheets, or unsupported formats. That way, the upload will go smoothly without errors. And just like that, your Excel file is uploaded into QuickBooks Online, ready to keep your records neat and accessible whenever you need them. Stay tuned for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.